looks like I got a gate lock not working. It works on the other side just fine. I'm guessing there's a piece of a key broken off inside here. So, just going to be taking this apart, take a look inside. See if I can tap the piece out from this side. So this is a dual deadbolt. Okay, there's that part. You can see it's got the little faceplate here, and then it's just some common screws that go straight through here. Hold the back side on. What we're going to do is try to tap this. Front deal out here. Most likely it was just a piece of a key left inside, so. This will allow the backside to come off. I'm trying to avoid pulling the backside off. We're just going to try to leave everything in place. And there we go. Let's see if we can tap this out. Sometimes get lucky. Sometimes not. Stubborn, we may have to remove the back pin. Oh boy. I'm in trouble because the springs came out. Better take this to my shop and figure it out. Springs came out inside there. So this part's going to be tricky. I'm going to try to slip this up. You can see my cap is already up. So looking right here, I can see the little piece of the key right here. So all I got to do is push that out, but it may not be that easy. Also, my little cap came off, so the springs are sticking up. So I don't want to lose any pins there. So I'm going to try removing this here. Okay, there's that. Now I should be able to rotate this. Push it down. It turns out to be more of just like a piece of a stick or something. Someone jammed in a stick there. I think I got enough of it out for it to work out okay. Pull the key back out. Putting the key back in, able to get it to turn. Get my keeper back in there, but I gotta make it latch this piece in. Okay, keeper's in. Now the tricky part is going to be pushing the top pins back down. It looks like that piece needs a little tightening there also. Just enough to make it clip on the top spring there. In theory. Hopefully. I can get under there. That part's not going to be that easy. We're still okay there. It's going to be stubborn, that's for sure. There we go. Might need to replace that clip. Oh boy. Definitely gonna need to replace that clip now. Jeez. Not good. Okay, went and got a new cap cover right here. Gonna take a bit of luck to get the old one out without moving the springs out. A bit of luck never hurt, as long as it's not bad luck. Here's what it is. Okay, now we're going to need to slide the new one in. Okay. There it goes. Got pretty lucky there. Okay, and now it's going to be pressing it down. And the trick is going to be getting up underneath there. Gonna kind of Grab it with both tools and then press it down. Oh yeah, little luck. Doesn't hurt. Okay, I'm gonna test out my key now. See if everything works like it should. There's my key. Here it goes. Oh, we're back in business. I can put it back together how it's supposed to be. And it's got kind of the bent portion of the trim. I'll rotate that so that's on the bottom. Okay, we're ready to put this back in place. And this little portion slides into the other side here. Just gotta rotate it so it's nice and straight up. Okay. Now our two common screw wheels pass through to the other side. Go through the trim plate. Into the other side of the deadbolt. Not that easy to see. So I'm just going to have to kind of take my word for that. Again, the same deal, going through the latch piece and into the far side. Now while this is still loose, I'm going to rotate the trim piece so that kind of damaged part is on the bottom. That way it'll be less visible. It's no big deal. It's still functional. Now we can tighten this up. We don't want to over tighten this, just want to make it nice and snug here. So it looks like someone just had stuff some twigs in there on me. Before I get too far here and putting the trim cover on, just verify that my key is working properly, doing what it's supposed to do on both sides. So here's this side. Pulling in the lock pin like it should. That's perfect. And on the far side, doing the same. Now just verify that it closes and opens properly. Beautiful. Both sides. Perfect. Okay. Now it's just our trim plate. That's what it looks here. This part goes here. Screws go in. We're good to go.